scared right now, challenged right now. I may be frustrated right now, but I got a testimony in my past, in my yesterday and yesteryear. I got something that I can prophetically begin to look back into. When I look at where God brought me from, the way He lifted me up, the way He carried me, when I was down, when I was broken, when I was rejected, when I was abandoned, when I was ostracized, when I was ridiculed, when they cast me off from the land of the living, when they forgot about me. I got a testimony that He raised me up. I got a testimony that He delivered me, that He healed me, that He established me, that He anointed me afresh, that He crowned me with victory, and He gave me a glory. It wasn't by my power, it wasn't by my might, but it was by His Spirit. Is there anybody under the divine influence of the Holy Ghost, when you begin to look back at everything experientially that you came into contact with, you begin to realize that God did it. He delivered you. The great God, He repositioned you. He shifted you. He turned it around. The great God, He flipped the script on the devil. The Bible declares that He takes the foolish things of the world and He confounds the wise. Is there anybody with a testimony in your belly? If it wasn't for God, if it wasn't for my rock, my strong tower, my deliverer, if it wasn't for my Prince of Peace, if it wasn't for my Emmanuel, my Rose of Sharon, my Lily of the Valley, my bread, I feel like preaching, my bread and more, if it wasn't for God.